Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol POTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, including yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, not a whole update's probably not the right word, more so just kind of confirmation of a couple areas. But I suppose there is one update that I want to, make an observation of. But as far as the word confirmation is concerned, right up here at 78 cents, been talking about that as, kind of the new near-term level of resistance. That once again has proven to be resistance. This morning, yeah, there's a gap up above it, but that didn't last very long, and the price was quickly back below that area. So as expected, 78 cents is now acting as resistance. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that it can never be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying that as it stands right now, it makes sense that 78 cents is resistance, and the chart is, confirmed after today's price action that, apparently the bulls really are going to have to bring their A game if they're not only going to be able to break up above 78 cents, because again, yeah, this morning the price did break above it, but then the second part and that key part, can the price stay above it? That's where apparently, the bulls are going to have to step things up and, be able to maintain any sort of break that they get. So on that front, nothing new there. 78 cents still that key level of resistance. And even on the support side, nothing new here from the big picture perspective. Still have the green line down there, which is valued at 55 cents. So 55 cents still the overall level of support. But that one observation that kind of stands out to me is that over the past basically day and a half, the bulls have been just quietly creeping upwards and quote-unquote creeping upwards, best kind of quantified via these lows right here, or if you want to picture these as stair steps. So within the very short term, the price is making some stair steps in the upwards direction. Now, does this guarantee that a massive breakout is happening? I'm not saying that's what is guaranteed to happen, because, hey, here's a hint. There's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. But from a short-term bullish perspective, is this sort of action preferable? Yeah, absolutely. Whenever you can get these higher lows, that's what you want to see. So there's definitely the bulls quietly making progress upwards. Now it just becomes a question of, can the price finally break up above the 78 cent mark and then stay up above it, as the week unfolds. So still 3 days left. We'll see how things continue to unfold. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.